All right, it looks like we're about ready to go then. If everyone's ready, I think we're good to begin. In 3, 2, 1. And we're off. 89-49 trying to lower themselves down and get off that lander. A lot of success here from the Red Alliance.
And it seems that team 13439 managed to topple themselves over. Oh no.
Oh, that's harsh. Maybe their fellow teammate can help them out, but that looks like it might be fatal.
I've seen some robots recover from this by being able to prop themselves up with their own arm. However, few robots have this strength within their motors.
And of course, there's no rule against shoving your own teammate back upright. Although it's a rare strategy, I'll admit. We get into teleop. It looks like their bot is indeed struggling to get themselves up.
It seems that...
Whoa, 8610 is thrashing in the corner, trying to get themselves off that crater edge, and it looks like they've broken free, while 8949 over near the red crater has collected 2 gold minerals.
It seems that team 13439 is violently seizuring as it seems they have skipped exercising their core and is unable to do sit-ups, but with the help of their teammate, that is called teamwork, folks.
An amazing play. The Blue Alliance saves 13439, re-uprating their robot.
Although as a hefty cost, it seems that their power supply is now vulnerably exposed.
And their time is definitely lacking now. Over on the red side, 8949 has been dutifully filling up that lander with gold minerals. 8610 is struggling to get into the crater. It looks like they're moving the crater wall a little bit while they're trying to get to it. It can be hard to struggle past it. 8949 dropping another pair of minerals right in.
It seems that there's some problems with one of the robots as it is interfering with the field itself.
Okay, we got it. There's some nuts and bolts left back on the field. Whoa. 8949 dropping him in quite violently and missing with a gold mineral as we enter the end game.
And team 13439 managed to drop 2 silvers right beforehand as they go for one last mineral before hanging themselves.
8949 dropping another pair of gold before spinning around to get their latch attached.
And team 13439, with some trouble at the start, managed to get themselves barely off the ground.
I'm not sure if that's going to count for our refs here. 8610 looks like they're lining up. They only have 5 seconds. Ooh. They just have to hit it perfectly. It's so close, and it's over. What an intense match. I've never seen such great teamwork. And it looks like scores for match 8 are in with Red Alliance taking 305 points, setting the new high score for today.
Although we must not forget Blue Alliance's heartening teamwork in order to make sure that they could still compete.
That earned the Blue Alliance a solid 76, plus they got a little bit extra from the Red Alliance, who took a penalty.